This is a film I did in 1987 called Kathy's Nature. It was starring Harold Romance and Kathy Umpman. It's about Kathy and her quest for breaking the world record, baby.
Roll sound. Background. Action.
Kathy, this whole city is ours. This whole city is ours. Shit. This whole city is ours, Kathy. This whole city is ours, Kathy. Kathy, you said you wanted to go on a nature walk. You've just been standing here for 3 hours. Hey, alright, what do you say we go get some lunch now? I'm thinking chicken nuggets, baby. I'm thinking chicken nuggets. Hey, Kathy? Kathy? You alright? You seem to be lost in a moment, looks like. Kathy? Hello? Kathy? Hello? Kathy girl? Wake up. Kathy, we were just gonna go on a nature walk, right? Is this your idea of a nature walk? Huh? Kathy? I know you like Breath of the Wild, but we don't gotta live it out, you know what I'm saying? Kathy, hello, wakey. Kathy, are you breaking up? Are you breaking up with me? I can't. This is the last time. This is the last time we ever come here. This is the last time I ever. Kathy, there's not a lot to look at. We literally live right down there, Kathy. What are you looking for? Kathy? Just tell me. I'm thinking chicken nuggets, baby. I'm thinking chicken nuggets. This whole city is ours, Kathy. I'm thinking chicken nuggets.